This week, the master bedroom is looking more like an actual room and less like a construction site, with the addition of a new exterior door and new paint. I've been breaking in my new overalls. I feel like a cartoon character. Sitting at my desk while the crew continues to finish up, and I can't help but lean back to admire that beauty. The door, not the man. It's the end of door install day, and take a look. This hallway is completely transformed now that from the front of the house all the way to the back is a really great sight line to the backyard. So here I am in the office. Maybe I'll backwards walk. Whoa, whoops. There she is. I want to chat door design. There are two pieces of architecture in the house that were sources of inspiration for the new door. The first one, of course, are our existing doors. So we have these 5-panel doors that have been in the house for over 100 years. I took measurements of all of the sides and the panel, as well as took a look at the detail, and Pella created a door with that same detail and the same dimensions just for this house. The glass is inspired by existing windows over here. I'm here in my painting overalls to remind you to always, always, always prime, especially if you're painting outside, and especially just do it. If it felt like it was counterintuitive to paint something bright white only to paint it dark green, you can get your primer tinted to be the color that you're going to paint. I just had this left over in the garage from a previous outdoor project, but you could tint it. The door is fully installed and the board and batten is ready for primer and paint. But today's agenda is to build a deck right here so I don't fall out of the door. We are going to build out a deck that extends over here so it gives it a little bit more length and extra safety. This is a composite decking that the previous owner installed in order to accommodate his gigantic jacuzzi. Eventually all of this will go, but for now we're just going to do this temporary one so that nobody falls to their death out of that new beautiful door. For today's deck building project, I'm calling in a friend because I am running out of time and I'll take all the help I can get. The new deck needs to be exactly where the sprinkler is and where that plumbing line is. So we're going to cut it and then we're going to move the hose nozzle over there and then cap off the sprinklers since we aren't using them. Ready to start putting paint on these walls, so tonight I prime. Hey buddy, what you up to? Excuse you, hello.
Oh my god.
That was pretty resourceful. Excuse you.
Oh no.
Oh, okay. Excuse you. This isn't your house. There's still a lot more to do both inside and outside in the seating area off the bedroom, so come back next week for the full reveal. I have to give a really big thank you to my mom and my friends that helped me out this week. I really couldn't have gotten it done without them, so thanks guys.